Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a full review of Ecwid. So guys, we'll cover the pros and cons, key selling features, and everything you need to know to decide if Ecwid is the right e-commerce platform for your business. So let's get into it. So guys, if you don't know, Ecwid is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows to set up an online store quickly and easily, whether you're a small business owner or just starting out. So guys, Ecwid integrates seamlessly with your existing website, social media, or even operates as a standalone online store. So guys, I'm gonna be discussing 4 key selling features. So for the feature 1 is easy integration. So Ecwid integrates with various platforms like WordPress, Wix, and social media channels, and making it versatile and easy to set up. So now for the second feature is multi-channel selling. So guys, you can sell across multiple platforms including your website, social media, and marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, and it all comes from one dashboard. And next up is mobile friendly. Ecwid's mobile responsive design ensures your store looks great on your mobile devices, and it provides a seamless shopping experience for customers. And next up is the built-in marketing tools. So guys, Ecwid offers built-in marketing features like automated email campaign, discount, and abandoned cart recovery to help boost your sale. So guys, now let's dive into the pros and cons. So for the pros, first one is ease of use. So guys, Ecwid is a beginner friendly with a straightforward step up process. And next up is affordable pricing. So Ecwid offers a free plan with basic features and affordable paid plans. And the next pros will be multi-language support. So guys, it reached a global audience with Ecwid's multi-language capabilities. And now let's go for the cons. So guys, for the cons is limited customization. So compared to some competitors, Ecwid has a fewer customization options for design. And the next con will be transaction fees. So guys, some payment gateways might include transaction fees that adds to your cost. And now guys, who is Ecwid for? So Ecwid is ideal for small to medium sized businesses that want to expand their online presence quickly without needing extensive technical skills, and it's also perfect for businesses looking to sell on multiple channels without managing separate inventories. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.